I'm at Yum Cha Café, city of San Gabriel, California. Yum Cha Café is located at San Gabriel Superstore entrance. Yum Cha Café is an authentic Hong Kong-style dim sum and barbecue restaurant with reasonable price. I like to buy dim sum from Yum Cha Café and eat them at home. Taste the food. I got it from Yum Cha Café, located in the city of San Gabriel and inside the Shumai supermarket. And this is the dim sum. And there are 4 dim sum. The first one is the pork Shumai. And then this one is pork sticky rice dumpling. And this one is Chiu Chao Style Dumpling. And this one is Baked Egg Custard Bun. We're gonna taste this pork sticky rice dumpling. Outside, that's the fried sticky rice. Inside, that's pork with root ear. Take this, fried sticky rice, pork, root ear. Together. Fried sticky rice, crispy outside and chewy inside. Very good. It's pork and root ear together. It's plenty of flavor and not too salty. Very good taste. Yes. I'm gonna taste this large size Chiu Chao Style Dumpling, and let's see what's inside. There are peanut, pork, and vegetable inside. So people are allergic to peanuts, do not eat this. So this, skin, pork, and peanut all together with some soy sauce. The skin is chewy, and with soy sauce, extra flavor, with pork and peanut together, that's a good taste. And drink this. I'm gonna taste this pork shumai. So inside is pure pork. I'm gonna taste this shumai with soy sauce and hot sauce. Let's try this pork shumai. We'll put some soy sauce and put some hot sauce on top of it. Together. Plenty of flavors with hot sauce and soy sauce with pork together. That's a great taste combination. Drink this. I'm gonna taste this Baked Egg Custard Bun. From outside, you can see it's crunchy, and inside there's egg custard. I'm gonna try this famous sweet dim sum. Let's try this. Outside the bread is crunchy and sweet. Inside the egg custard is tender and not too sweet. Very good. Let's bring this. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.